George Foster with Automobile Interior Recon. Just went over the process of how we would be coming to your house to help sanitize your vehicles. It's a two-step process. First of all, we're going to use an ozone machine. Ozone is a gas that basically, the best way to say what ozone is that if you've been outside and there's like a lightning storm or thunderstorm, and then it quits raining and you smell that clean smell. Well, the reason that being is because ozone was created by the static electricity up in the sky, and it killed all the bacteria and everything else in the atmosphere, and that's why it's real clear after it rains. So basically, we're doing the same process right here to your car. Okay, this machine right here, this is an ozone machine. This is a larger one. It's a commercial one. It's not the kind your car detailers use. Ozone is measured in grams per hour. A smaller ozone machine that your detailers use to kill odors kicks out 5,000 grams per hour of ozone. This one machine right here will kick out 15,000 grams per hour. So what that allows us to do, we're going to put two of them on your car. So basically when we put them on your car, you're going to have 30,000 grams of ozone going into your car. We're only going to do it for 30 minutes. And the main reason we're using it is because ozone kills bacteria. The bacteria is what causes all the odors in your car. Plus we're going to shock it and try to sanitize the car as well. So the process is very simple. We'll come out with these machines here. There'll be one on each side of your car. Have a towel. Windows open a little bit. What we're going to do is basically put the towel in here. And what we're doing is trying to trap the ozone in the car. And the reason that the machine is outside the car, so it's getting fresh air from here, transferring it to your car. The way we're going to transfer it is with this hose. The hose snaps on right here. Take into the hose. We're going to stick this machine a little bit closer. The hose is going to go in the car window like this. And then we're going to turn it on and let it run for 30 minutes. Okay? That's the process. And I'll go over the second step with you where we're going to use the chlorine dioxide in just a minute. Thank you.